Hello everyone. So today's video is about the Power BI. We are going to cover about the business intelligence tool and Power BI in this video. So what is the main agenda of this video? As you know, the Power BI means BI. So what is a business intelligence tool? The stages of the business intelligence, various BI tools, why Power BI, and the last one, introduction to the Power BI. So let's start. What is mean by the business intelligence tool? As per the definition, business intelligence tool is a set of technologies which helps in the collection of the data, integration, analysis and presentation of the business data. Okay, so let me explain you in the simple terms. The business intelligence tools is refers to the technology that helps to collect the raw business data and convert it into the meaningful informations. What is the main purpose of the business intelligence tool? Is to help the corporate executives, business managers, the team members to understand the business betterly and take a effective decisions accordingly. So the next things, what are the different stages of the business intelligence tool? As you can see in the figure, there are the mainly four stages of the business intelligence tools. First one is integrate, second one is analyze, third is visualize, and fourth one is the define. So what is mean by the phase integrate? So let me explain you in a more detailed way. In the integrate stage, first we collect the data from the different data sources and then we store that data efficiently for the future analysis and the reporting. We can store that data into the simple databases like SQL, Excel, Access, and in a complicated one also like IBM Cloud or Google Cloud. Then we go to the data analysis phase. In the data analysis phase, we analyze the data and according to the various trends and patterns in the market, we can identify that trends from the data. Then in the next stage, we visualize our data by analyzing the data and present that data in the view format, means in the form of the reports by using the reporting tools and the dashboard. Then these reports will get published among our team members to get an idea about our business insight, like what profit going on, what is the sale going on, and many more things. It helps to take more effective decisions about your business. Then the next one is what are the various BI tools? There are the various BI tools are present right now in the market, such as Microsoft Power BI, SAP, Tableau, Oracle BI, ClickView, etc. So only why the question is arise, why only we use the Power BI? We use the Power BI because it can connect to the more than 70 data sources. Okay, means we can connect to the simple database sources like SQL, MS Access, and Excel, and the complicated ones like IBM Cloud or Google Cloud also. Other thing is like Power BI has the capabilities to easily connect to your data sources, visualize the data in the form of reports using the Power BI desktop. And after creating the reports, we can publish and share that reports with your team members in anywhere in the world using the Power BI service. Okay, so the last one is that what is the introduction to the Power BI? As shown in the figure, there we can collect the data from the different data sources, okay, and we can present in the very interactive and amazing form of the reports. So Power BI is the suite of tools that support to collect the data, transfer the data, modeling the data. What is mean by the modeling the data? In the modeling the data, when we collect the data from the different data sources, a huge data collected. Okay, so we don't need all the data. So what we do, we modeling the data by making the joins, append, merge the data to remove the unwanted data. And after that, we analyze that data and present that data in the form of amazing and interactive reports. So today's we only learn what is exactly the what is a Power BI. In the next video, we learn how to install the Power BI. Okay, and then different main features of the Power BI. Thanks for the watching this video, and you can subscribe the video and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.